All right, this year for the 2017-2018 school year, our PLC decided to do Understanding by Design. And this is the Secondary Social Studies PLC. Now, number one, UBD is a way of thinking purposefully about your curriculum planning and school reform. It offers a three-stage design process, a set of helpful design tools. However, it's not meant to be rigid and it's not a prescriptive recipe. Now, number two, the primary goal of UBD is student understanding, the ability to make meaning of big ideas and then transfer that material. Number three, UBD unpacks and transforms the content standards into the relevant stage one elements and appropriate assessments in stage two. Number four, understanding is revealed when students are able to be autonomous and transfer their learning through authentic performance. And this comes in six different facets: the capacity to explain, interpret, apply, shift perspective, empathize, and self assess. These serve as indicators of understanding. Five, teachers are coaches of understanding, not mere just people that pervade the content or the activity. They design for and support meaning in making and transfer by the learner. And then you also adjust to achieve the intended results. Six, planning is best done backwards. This is from the desired results and then transfer the tasks that embody the goals. The stage three will get more into gives you the desired results, the evidence, learning plan, and this all should align to the unit to be most effective. Number seven, regular reviews of curriculum against design standards enhance curricular quality and effectiveness. And eight, UBD reflects a continuous improving approach. The results of curriculum design, student performance informs needed adjustments. And for the sake of our POC, we've also calibrated and gone over our individual UBD units with each other. We split up into different partner groups, and I'll talk a little bit more in detail about that. Now, moving on to stage two. The focus in stage two is valid evidence, making sure that what we assess and how we assess follows logically from stage one goals. Assessing for understanding requires evidence of the student's ability to insightfully explain or interpret their learning, to show their work, and to justify or support their performance or product with commentary. Number three, assessing for understanding also requires evidence of the student's ability to apply their learning in new, varied, and realistic situations, transferring which they must do the subject as opposed to merely answering pat questions. Now, number four, the six facets of understanding. This provides a helpful framework for building appropriate assessment tasks. Start with explain. The student generalizes, makes connections, has a sound theory, and can put it into their own words. Interpret. The student offers a plausible and supported account of text, data, experience. Apply. The student can transfer, adapt, adjust, address novel issues and problems. Perspective. The student can see from different points of view. Empathy. The student can walk in the shoes of people or characters. In self-understanding, the student can self-assess, see the limits of their understanding, and reflect metacognitively. Now, this another one for our performance task, we use GRASP. This is an acronym to help designers construct authentic scenarios for performance tasks. Start with the G, the goal or challenge statement in the scenario. R, the role that the student plays in the scenario. A, the audience. This is the audience, a client that the student must be concerned with in doing the task. S, the situation, the particular setting or context and its constraints and opportunities. And P, performance, the specific performance or product expected. All right, we finally arrived to stage three. Now, the focus in stage three is making sure that what we teach and how we teach follows logically from and aligns with the stage one and stage two goals. The learning events are designed to address three interrelated goals: acquisition, meaning maker, and transfer. Now, teaching for understanding requires that students be given numerous opportunities to draw inferences and make generalizations for themselves with teacher support. Understandings cannot be simply told, they have to be actively constructed by the learner. Now, we're going to look at the where to. Now, this is an acronym for considering and self-assessing the key elements and logic of a learning plan. Where, ensuring that the student sees the big picture, has answers to the why questions, knows the final performance expectations as soon as possible. The hook, immersing the student immediately in the ideas and issues of the unit, engaging the student in thought-provoking experiences, challenges, questions at the heart of the unit. Equipped and experienced, providing the student with the tools, resources, skill, and information needed to achieve the desired understandings and successfully accomplish the performance task. Rethink, enhance understanding by shifting perspective, considering different theories, challenging prior assumptions, introducing new evidence and ideas, etc. Also providing them impetus for opportunity to revise prior work to polish it. Evaluate, ensuring that students get diagnostic, informative feedback and opportunity to self-assess and self-adjust. Tailor, personalized learning through differentiated instruction, assignments, and assessments without sacrificing validity or rigor. Organize, sequence the work to suit the understanding goals, or e.g., questioning the flow provided by the textbook, which is typically organized around discrete topics.